So this squirrel, as you can see, she had the nut in the mouth or something, and she just came around. I think she still has it there. How that she's trying to bury it. Yeah, she's buried it, and now she's leaving. Looking around. Did anybody see me? She had a big old knot in the mouth. Well, I think she got a friend coming. Got a squirrel. Is the squirrel gonna get a knot? With a knot? She's flying away. Okay, let's watch the squirrel make his move. Don't forget where the crow went to go hit that knot. The squirrel is snoozing around now. I want to see if you're gonna discover what? The squirrel got it. The squirrel got the knot. Look at that. Wow, that was a knot. Look at that. She's now looking at the squirrel run away with a knot in his mouth. And nature funny? I thought the bird flew away. Wow. Is that what I'm thinking? That's funny. Wow. She got a knot in the mouth. I saw her come, heading towards that side, hid the knot like secretly, and then the squirrel came out from nowhere, dug up that same knot, or whatever it is, took it, ran away, and the crow was looking. Wow. That's some deep level communication right there. How did the squirrel know the crow got a knot there? She got a company right now on the tree somewhere. How did the squirrel know that she had a knot waiting? And he went right there, picked it up. And all she could was just look at him. Now she's there. And now it's gone. Maybe she's gonna go for another one and keep for the squirrel again. Wow. Something about nature we don't know. We think we're the only one communicating. I bet you these animals talk to each other. And it's like afternoon right now. Maybe we went to go get the squirrel at lunch. Wow. And that's something. And I'm just sitting right here. My instinct just told me, like, see that crow right there? She got a big knot in her mouth. Bring out your phone. And then as I was recording, you guys could see it in the video. Next thing I saw the squirrel come out from nowhere. I kept dancing around till we went to the same spot and dug up the knot. And ran away with the knot, passed by the crow, and the crow looked at it. She knew what she hid, she knew where she hid it. And it seemed like they gave each other a high five or something. They just walked past each other and that's it. And the next thing, the crow flew on the tree, acting like nothing happened. My goodness. This is the first time I'm seeing something like this. And I'm amazed, like, wow. Creatures really talk to each other. I think we're not the only ones communicating. These animals, they talk to each other. Forget it. Forget it. It's like you have a dog, you have a cat, and you see the way they relate. They talk to each other. They got their languages. Yeah, now I think the crows flew away. Wow. And that's something. Guys, hit the like button. Share this video. Leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. This is Knee DIY. Discovering something about nature today. Wow. Stay blessed, guys. And this is in October 2022. October 13, 2022, right now. Stay blessed, guys. See you. Bye. Wow.